Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Party Popper. Today, I'm about to reveal a secret recipe that combines the amazing benefits of figs and prunes into a delicious detox drink. This isn't just any drink, it's your new go-to for an energy boost and a gentle cleanse. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I have a surprise ingredient that will take this drink to the next level. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's kick things off with the star of our drink, the banana. Banana. Did you know that bananas are not only delicious but also packed with potassium? This essential mineral is key for heart health and muscle function. Simply slice up one ripe banana and toss it into the blender. Fun fact: bananas also contain serotonin, which can help boost your mood. So, you're not just fueling your body but also lifting your spirits. Next up, we have figs. These little gems are nutrient powerhouses. They're rich in fiber and antioxidants, which support digestion and help keep your immune system strong. Chop a few figs into small pieces and add them to the blender. And hey, while you're watching, drop a comment below letting me know where you're tuning in from. Globe, I love connecting with you all and hearing your stories. Now, let's add prunes, a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. Prunes are known for their heart health benefits and can help regulate cholesterol levels. Chop up a handful of prunes and toss them in. You'll be amazed at how they contribute to your metabolism and digestive health. Next, pour in 200 milliliters of low-fat milk. Glass of milk. This is a great way to recover after a workout and keep your calcium levels in check. If you're lactose intolerant, feel free to substitute with almond or oat milk. Now, let's sweeten things up with a spoonful of honey. Honey pot. Not only does it add a delicious flavor, but honey also has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. What a fantastic combo! Alright, it's time to blend everything together until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. And voila! Your antioxidant-packed energy drink is ready. Party Popper. This drink is perfect for a midday pick-me-up or a post-workout recovery. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bell. I'll be sharing more wellness tips and easy recipes to help you feel your best. Cheers to your health. And remember, let me know how you enjoyed this recipe in the comments. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy and energized. Bye.